Hi viewers, how are you all? Please subscribe my channel for more videos. You are getting more videos regarding about this mechanical engineering as well as welding inspection activities and all I will share. This video is mainly I will made for my juniors, those who are currently studying engineering. They have planned to go for industrial visit or training for their vacations, summer holidays after exam. You should plan to go Pondmalai. It's more knowledgeable how the engines, automobile, engineering subjects we studied. That are all things we have to implement in the workshop. How the train engines are made, how they are maintaining. That are I will share some photos. You see that one. Um,
Ponmalai, it's a golden rock. It is situated in Trichy, in the center of Tamil Nadu. In this, we start our implant training for 3-4 weeks. We will stay there and have some of the. It is very much knowledgeable and got too much knowledge regarding about this railway, how the engine is working, locomotive engines, and how they are making 16 cylinders, 8 cylinders engines are they are using. For steam engines, how they are using in that one, everything we will see in there. So as a mechanical engineer, we get more and more knowledge regarding about this, how the engines are working and all, and we will get too much knowledge practically. What are the items we studied theoretically, we have to apply the automobile subjects in this directly in this workshop. So make it use of that one.
Okay, please share to your friends and those who are studying, be mechanical engineering, automobile engineering, those who are studying now. Please utilize this one. Thank you. After completion of your training, you have to submit the report, like project report you have to submit, means you will get the certificate of your implant training from the Southern Railway. I also got that one. So this is most value for your future. So plan for that one.